Engine51 Ambulance61 automatic alarm.
Hey, Chief, what's up?
Not exactly an inferno.
Looks like a false alarm. You come here?
Yeah, I think I'll keep chipping away at these.
I'm awfully sorry for the trouble. I have no idea who pulled the alarm.
It's okay, Father. The most important thing is keeping everybody safe. I'll let you know we can go back inside.
It's just not a false alarm.
All clear, Chief. Not so much as a puff of smoke in there.
There you go. Sorry for dragging you out for nothing. I heard church and the radar went up.
Yeah, me too. Alright, thanks, Chief.
Thank you, Father. All units, back in service.
Oh, Miss Callahan, hi.
Hello, Sylvie.
You look great. You must be taking your trucks out, I can tell. Did you walk all the way here from your house?
Don't look so impressed. It's only 3 blocks. I don't care how permissive St. Thomas gets. I'll keep coming here till they put me in the ground.
Oh, well, that'll be a while, so take care of yourself.
Just another dead end.
Yeah, well, I don't think this is.
Damnable heresies bring swift destruction.
This has to be our arsonist.